The R9 290X, an absolute beast back in its day. Can it still hold up in 1080p in 2019? Today, we're going to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech It Out video. Today we're going to be teching... I like that. We're going to be teching out. See that? Accidents do happen. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tech out... That's so bad. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the R9 290X and see how powerful it still is today in 2019. As usual, we're going to be testing out Counter-Strike, Overwatch, and Fortnite, as they're obviously the most popular and I always test them out. And I'm also going to be showing the most effective settings for this graphics card if you guys want a solid and smooth 60 FPS or more. But before we get into the actual specifications of the graphics card, I would like to invite you guys to my Discord that I have. If you don't know about the Discord, so the card we're checking out today is the R9 290X WindForce OC Edition. It's a 4GB VRAM card and it needs an 8-pin and a 6-pin PCI connector to actually power the unit. There was a lot of speculation about what the actual minimum requirements were for the power supply. Some websites said 600 watts and some said 650. I would go the safe route and say that the minimum would be a 650 watt power supply, as this is a very juicy card, meaning it needs a lot of power. I was lucky enough to pick this card off eBay for $75, including postage. That was the whole price. I saw that and I was like, this doesn't seem right. What's wrong with it? Got the card, it was perfect. It works absolutely fine. I have that in my secondary computer right now, and that's what we're going to be testing it on. The specs that I'm using for the actual test rig are going to be on the screen here, as I'm not going to read them off every single video. I have one specific test bench that I use, and I also did a video on that separately if you guys want to go check it out. It's called the $370 Benchmarking Streaming Gaming PC, I believe. Just look for the big red computer called Clifford. With that all said, let's start the benchmarks. Fucking updates. Listen to how loud that damn card is, holy shit. That's not even the system, that's the graphics card. I think it's on like 40%. That's not even as loud as it gets. Oh god. You might be wondering why I have no back exhaust. It's because I'm edgy. That's pretty much why. So here are the temperatures. Ignore those ridiculously stupid motherboard temperatures. I don't know why it does that. It does that all the time. I can guarantee it's not 121 degrees. Anyway, the CPU 50 degrees, hard drive 26 degrees, and the R9 290X surprisingly was cooler than the R9 280X when I tested it. The R9 280X hit 70 degrees. The R9 290X hit 64 degrees max, which is unusual because I would have thought because this is a lot more powerful, it uses a lot more power and therefore gets a lot hotter. But I don't know, apparently. That was interesting. But yeah, there we go. Good to go. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the R9 290X is more than capable of being a main graphics card for your system in 2019. I definitely do recommend this if you can get it. Probably don't spend more than $80 to $90 on getting one of these, because it's probably just not worth it, and it's probably worth getting a newer card for that money. But you also got to remember that you need to spend a bit more on the power supply too, because I would not go any lower than a 650 watt for one of these cards, because they can use up to 290 total power, which is 290 watts, which is pretty ridiculous, but they are really beefy cards. I do recommend getting them, as they will last you quite a while, and it can even play high settings on a lot of games and still pump out more than 60 frames, so you're good to go. With that said guys, I'm going to head out. Thank you all for watching. If you guys want to recommend some graphics cards for me to benchmark, or even some games that you want to see benchmarked in another video, let me know in the comments below. With that said, I'm going to head out. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I am gone. See you guys.